your like PR will have like thousands of files. Your changes will keep changing for every iteration. You cannot create a consistent behavior for your application. So that's the gap. Implementing or using AI agents, just doing a vibe coding or using it in a production grade enterprise setup. So we are seeing it live. Let's see, but like we'll just like give it a time. So this is the whiteboard app. Let's continue because it's doing a lot of time. So it's asking like, hey, do you want to continue or give a different prompt? I think the expectation here is, since we define a task and it has to follow the task one by one, and I could have told the agents like, while you are doing a task, go ahead and then update your task list to complete. Maybe it's already doing, but let's see. So this is a task. I don't see it is updating, but I can ask it finally, like based on the task you completed, and go back and mark the task which are done. So this is funny, right? When you're developing, just constantly type, and just like think about the solutioning, think about the stuff. But now it's more of a getting a autopilot and giving an instruction for it to like take a driver's seat, and then you are like keeping behind and then watching what it's doing. Sometimes you don't have to even watch. Maybe like review, maybe give a guardrails, give. So that's the changes happening these days. And if you guys are not following it, you'll be kept behind. And you like, the more you use these tools in your like development life cycle, you'll get better at it. And that way you can find like creative ideas to how you can improve your productivity to deliver fast, cleaner. But don't do the vibe coding in your enterprise setup. That will kill you. Let's see. Still generating. While seeing this, there was a meme I'm like remembering. There was a like somebody is using a Cloud Code to create a stockbroker app where it kind of install like bunch of skills to understand the stock market, go back to the company portfolio, see the result, understand everything, taking like thousands of analysis from here and there, and developed and then traded like millions of trades. And but it finally broke the bank account. But they were saying, but watching it how it does, or like watching it while doing, it's like gives a goosebump, or like just like something in that line. um like that's what I'm seeing, like giving simple task, and then it's like creating everything for you. And I guess we are getting an error. Let's see if the agent is smart enough to identify this error and then fixing it. So I think it went ahead and then created a implementation summary, but the application is failed. Let's vibe code a little bit. So, but it's still working on. I did create a new implementation MD instead of going and updating a task list. Come on, guys. No, I cannot create another bunch of set of MD file in my source code repository. My source code repository already looks like a bunch of like readme file, and I have to search where is my code. I want the code. All right, I'm gonna install the plugin. Let's see, maybe this is like installation issue. But agent did identify it didn't work fine, so it's kind of created. So this kind of like inconsistent behavior or like vibe coding feel is what really scares me when I'm using a agentic platform in my application development.